It's very useful for a business that is starting their journey because they can build like an end-to-end solution with automation anywhere. We do have the savings. When we implement a bot, we are looking for how much time we are saving the person and how much we are able to save through like reducing the repetitive manual work for the business user. So we do have a good amount of bots that we've developed, and it's helping saving the business a good amount of hours. I really appreciate the tech support offered by Automation Anywhere. They're very knowledgeable, they're very senior, they're able to jump to help us find the right solution and even assess from our business case what would be the best way to approach it. It's a great tool, it's easy to use, it's good to implement, and they're always looking for what's next.